Morning everybody, welcome to another vlog. Just pounded some Yeti and we're gonna go hit some legs at the gym. We got a bunch of errands to run today. Head to Park City and exchange my headphones because they're broken, and Skullcandy has a lifetime warranty and their corporate office is in Park City. Also swing by and get my my new ride. Not the most manly rig, but it's paid for and I'll own it, which has been a long time since that's happened. So that's kind of exciting. Then some grocery shopping and hanging out with the family. Can't shoot my bow. I set my release off. So maybe I'll call Carter today and let him know it's coming. But that's about what we got planned for the day. We'll see how much of that we get done. Things happen and just hanging out as a family. So, see you guys. Stop by the Skullcandy headquarters. This place is pretty sick. Awesome facility. They got a great view out the back.
Better go see the half pipe.
Better go see. They got a freaking half pipe. So I'm coming in to exchange my headphones because they stopped working on me. What? That's so sick. It's a pretty rad place. Bet it doesn't get old working here.
Yeah,
Still work, right? Still work. We can get you some headphones. That way Moana doesn't get stuck in my head. You can listen to
so
them.
this is Hesh 2. I was an armor crewman.
Thanks
for
for
3 years.
swapping me out. I really appreciate it. So that was pretty sick. I brought in my old headphones. They just stopped charging. I think it was just the charging port kind of either got dirty or something, but they swapped me out. No questions asked for the brand new version of them. It's pretty awesome. So go check Skullcandy out. This place is awesome. Park City, Utah. Skullcandy. These things are pretty sick. Bam! So rad. And rotate. Like sound canceling type stuff. Oh my gosh.
Are you checking him out too?
Leaving Skullcandy. Baby's getting strapped in the car. She likes hanging out with us. I feel bad. She'll get over it. We're gonna head to Crispy real quick. I'm gonna try on a few models of their boots. I'm looking at the Nevadas. So we'll see which ones are comfortable, kind of get an idea, and then get some pricing and get some boots potentially here in the near future. Just gotta throw it in the budget and see what I can do. Just pulled up to Crispy. Gonna try on some boots.
Found for you that I'm pulling down are going to be the boots that I would say would be more around your style.
Okay.
And
Picking up my sweet new whip. Oh, it's so manly. It'll work. Just left the gym. Couldn't sleep this morning, so about 5:30 I decided to head to the gym and hit chest. Glad I got it out of the way. Got some tile work to do today, and then I'm back on shift tomorrow. I'm working 72. So those 3 days straight, I won't be doing any vlogging as per usual. I might throw in a couple exercises at the firehouse, but that's about it. Saturday, I'm also doing more tile work. And then Sunday, I don't know what we have planned. So, thanks for watching the vlogs. Appreciate it. improvising. Morning, everybody. It's Saturday. I just got off shift at the firehouse. Worked a 72-hour straight shift, so that's just 3 days straight. And now I'm heading to a tile job right now. Try to get this lady's floor taken care of because she's got a party this weekend, or I think it's Monday. So see if I can bust this out real quick for her, and then be able to go home and see my girls. It's been a few days. Feels like I've been gone a week. So I don't know what we have planned for this evening or tomorrow. Talk to the boss and see what she says, and maybe we can go for a hike and try to find some sheds or something. It's been raining, so I don't know what the weather's gonna do tomorrow. So, see you guys later. Alright, just finished that tile job. Ended up not doing as much as originally had planned. So, it went super quick. Sorry. Went super quick. Very nice couple. The husband makes custom pins. It's a bullet. It's super cool. And they gave me one. It was so nice of them. So, back to the family. Finally, I'm glad it was a quick day. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'm gonna shower, I know that. And have some Ignite. I'm tired. It's funny, on our fire schedule, just a normal 48-hour shift even, but I worked a 72. Sometimes we're slower than others. Sometimes we're slammed, but even if we're slow, being on shift that long and kind of like on high alert and have to be ready, it's still exhausting. No matter what, at the end of a 48-hour shift, no matter how busy we are, I'm still exhausted. So, thought I saw a shed. False alarm. So, I'm gonna go have some Ignite, hang out with my girls. I think we're gonna go to the gym at some point. We're gonna have to take turns, I think, so V can work out, and then that way I can work out also. So, yeah, one more day on this vlog, and I appreciate you guys watching and tagging along. I posted up, what did I post up this week? I posted up a leg workout. I posted my keto Mountain Ops coffee, and I believe that's it. So I'll throw those two links down below. Go ahead, go check them out. I got another recipe that I'm gonna post up. I think the Brussels sprouts and bacon. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Hey! Abu! 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 Hey! Hey! Hi, beautiful. How you doing, baby? Woo. I crossed my heart and promised to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true. Spend some family time together. Gonna run to Cabela's. I'm gonna try on a couple pants. And then we're gonna go to the outlets and I'm gonna return some clothes. But we're just gonna hang out. It's raining. It's nasty. Hey. When it's pouring down rain in Utah and you're from Oregon, you wear a t-shirt.
And let baby wear your jacket.
Yeah. This feels really nice. It's weird to say I miss the rain, but I do. Heading to the gym. I'm gonna do some back. Also gonna hit some cardio. It's been dumping all day. Bunch of rain. Gonna hit a quick back workout. See if I can get some video of a few exercises and put a little workout video together. Like I said, leg workout down below. Click the link. Gives you just a quick idea of just a nice light leg day. It's all about making that mind-muscle connection, squeezing certain muscle groups, and it's kind of honestly how I do. I would say a strong 90% of my lifting is thinking about what muscles I'm squeezing, nice slow contractions, high rep stuff, lightweight, kind of how I do things right now. Trying to get in shape for scouting season and hunting season. And so I made it out shed hunting today. Found a little guy. I'll have a little short YouTube video that I'll post. But Sunday, so it's the last day of this week's vlog. Really appreciate you guys following along. All the comments, they mean a lot. They help keep things rolling. Knowing that I can positively impact one person is completely worth it. So thank you. Subscribe, share with your friends and family, and have a great week.